So today you join me on an oil change on a Range Rover Evoque. My God, take it in the garage, get somebody else to do it. Okay, if that's not an option, I'll show you how I did it. I'm lucky, I've got a 2-poster ramp. What we've done, we've removed the top tray. I had to remove this pipe to get it off at the back to get at the oil filter that is down there. I'll show you in a minute. Underneath, now we've got it in the air, we've removed the splash pan off the bottom, and I'll just roll around. And I've actually, Land Rovers come with like a nappy now, like a foam fabric thing to catch the oil drips, so it fools people into thinking they don't drip oil anymore. Hey, what a good idea. Right, so there's the oil drain plug, just there. That's 22mm, and right up there, I'll get my torch. Got my torch, got you orientated correctly. So from the oil drain plug, you look up there, and where the torch is shining, oops, I'm gonna drop my phone. Where the torch is shining is your oil filter. I'm gonna have to get at that from the top. It's quite a large nut on the end. I didn't have the metric one, but I have a 11/16 that fits, no, 1 inch and 1/16 that fits nice and snug. So we'll be using that. Right, I'm just gonna take that plug out, drop the oil in there, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. The oil plug there had no sign of debris on the end of it, which is a good sign. And if I look in the oil, there's no sparkly bits in the oil, all running nice and clean, so that's a good sign. Okay, the oil filter, which is down there, you can see the wrench on it, was as tight as a tight thing, tight as a duck's backside, waterproof. So I managed to get it from above, put the spanner on, or the socket ratchet on, and lifted it from above. Oh, there we go. Well, I had managed the whole oil change without a drip on the floor until I tried to pull that filter out of this housing, and it come with a pop, and yeah, we got oil everywhere. So there's the oil case cleaned up. We replaced the O-ring with the new O-ring. Use a small screwdriver carefully. Put the oil filter back in, pop it back in. So there's the oil filter housing. We replaced the O-ring there. Take it off with a small screwdriver carefully, and put the new one on there. Right, there we go. Oil's changed. Drop it down on its tyres. Just touch it down in case I need to lift it up again. Typical modern cars. Cream leather interior, and me being rolling around in that, I'm not going to get inside to start it up. So I'll have to get my good wife to fire her up so I can check the oil levels, and hopefully we'll pull her out and jobs are good. Right, let's do the reset on the service light. And like these modern vehicles, we're back on the iCar software and Diagnostics. It's been worth its weight in gold, this has. So we go across to service, enter, reset oil, enter, Land Rover, enter, enter. Oh, it's gone into Jaguar. Okay, back. There we go. Land Rover. Enter, enter. Manual reset. Range Rover Evoque, enter. 12 to 13. Switch on ignition, make sure service management light is displayed and send to cancel. Using steering wheel switch pack, navigate the switch menu, selecting up and down arrows, right steering wheel, switch pack. Navigate the last option, using the steering wheel switch pack. Steering wheel switch, and hold the right steering wheel switch pack down arrow for 15 seconds. This will reset the service counter and the engine control module. Recycle the ignition so the message is extinguished. The message remains, please repeat. I'll put that on as a screenshot for you. Okay, so resetting the service light by the instructions on the manual didn't exactly go too well. So I'll show you the way I did it in the end. So if you want to reset the service light on a Range Rover Evoque, I think this will work up to about 2015. You do it this way. You pop the bonnet there. You pop the door. You press the start button, but without your feet on the pedals. It starts up like this. And then you normally get service light there. When that lights up, you press the brake and the accelerator for 60 seconds. And you hold them down for 60 seconds. That's 60 seconds done, we shall say. Save you waiting around. You let go the brake and accelerator pedal. You turn it off. And that's it. Service light reset, Range Rover Evoque up to 2015. So if you like this sort of stuff, give us a thumbs up, a like and a subscribe, and we'll see what else we can come up with.